The Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC Navy, has received new domestically made equipment, including cruise missiles equipped with highly explosive warheads capable of evading current missile systems on August 9, 2024. The naval force took delivery of 2,640 missile systems, drones, and other equipment in a Friday ceremony attended by IRGC Chief Commander Major General Hossein Salami. Among the deliveries are new radar-evading cruise missiles that feature high-explosive warheads capable of causing severe damage and sinking destroyers. The addition also includes various types of long-range and medium-range missiles, combat and reconnaissance drones, unmanned aerial vehicles featuring electronic warfare (U) capabilities, as well as electronic warfare systems. Only 210 homegrown systems out of a total of 2,654 were put on display on Friday, as other strategic weapon systems could not be showcased for security considerations, Tasnim news agency reported, adding that these systems represent some of the Navy's most advanced anti-surface and subsurface weapons. In today's world, nations must choose between becoming strong and independent or giving in to external pressures. There is no middle ground, Salami said in the event, adding, nations can either strive for strength and freedom, breaking free from the control of global powers, or opt for compromise and submission. The sea is a vast arena where all military powers converge, making it a critical meeting point for global forces, he said, noting, naval combat and defense represent a comprehensive level of warfare. The sea itself is a complete battlefield, and naval powers are typically self-sufficient in all aspects of combat. Naval battles are decisive, he stressed. At sea, speed equates to power, allowing one to outmaneuver the opponent. Precision is crucial. The volume of fire is less important than the accuracy. You must be able to destroy a target with a single hit. In naval operations, utilizing artificial intelligence across all levels from vessels to missiles, defenses, submarines, and mines is a crucial aim, he said elsewhere. Iranian military experts and engineers have in recent years made remarkable breakthroughs in manufacturing a broad range of indigenous equipment, making the armed forces self-sufficient. Iranian officials have repeatedly underscored that the country will not hesitate to strengthen its military capabilities, including its missile power, which are entirely meant for defense, and that Iran's defense capabilities will be never subject to negotiations. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei has repeatedly called for efforts to maintain and boost Iran's defense capabilities. Previously, IRGC Navy's new warships are equipped with SAM cruise missiles. Each of the vessels is furnished with 6 Sayed-3, Hunter-3 surface-to-air missiles, 16 vertically launched NAVAB air defense missiles, as well as 6 cruise missiles with a range of between 40 and 750 kilometers. Their radar systems can identify targets up to a range of 150 kilometers, the commander stated. Tingsiri said the new military catamarans are 68 meters in length, 18.5 meters wide, 14 meters in height, and have 4 marine engines. The IRGC Navy chief said the hulls of the vessels are made of aluminum, meaning they would neither sink nor lose mobility in case of a maritime incident. He said Iran is the third country in the world capable of manufacturing such watercraft. The vessels enjoy good seakeeping abilities and stability features. They can withstand rogue ocean waves of up to force 7, Tingsiri said. The commander said the IRGC Navy is in close contact with 103 domestic knowledge-based firms, as well as 32 universities, in order to develop the military gear it requires. On Monday, the IRGC Navy took delivery of Shahid Sayyid Shirazi and Shahid Hassan Bukhari military vessels during a ceremony in the southern port city of Bandar Abbas.